The world is changing fast, and today's customers demand more from their machines. What if your products could do more, smarter, faster, and more connected? Introducing the future of OEM innovation. Seamlessly transform your existing product line into IoT-enabled smart machines. With IoT, your machines can deliver real-time performance data, predictive maintenance alerts, and actionable insights, putting control right in your hands. This is effortless integration. Without disrupting your production lines, we bring smart technology to life, allowing you to offer value-added services to your customers. Imagine this: your customers see fewer breakdowns, reduced costs, and extended machine lifespans, all while you generate new revenue through subscription-based services. Empower your customers with data. Real-time feedback. Superior performance. This is the power of IoT, and this is how you stay ahead. Your journey to smart, IoT-enabled machines starts now. Transform your products, and transform your business, effortlessly.